Today we're going to be reviewing a new makeup line. So by the title, this makeup line is called SHEGLAM. They are by SHEIN. I asked you guys on Instagram, heard of SHEIN, if you're obsessed with SHEIN. A lot of you guys said, yes, oh my god, I love SHEIN and I'm obsessed with them. They just came out with a makeup line called SHEGLAM. I must be the only person that's never shopped the clothing at SHEIN. Reached out and said, hey, you want to test out our new makeup? You can choose 4 items and we'll send it to you to test out. Also are giving us a discount code and you can use the code, I believe is Jenz15, for like the whole website. It's not just for the makeup. Leave all the products in the description and a link to their site. You could either go to their website or they also have the SHEIN app. What you have to do when you go to the app or to the website is where you have the search, all you type is SHEGLAM, focusing mainly on the eyes because I can't do a full face with just 4 items. So thank you SHEIN for sending these goodies over. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jenz BeautyStyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Came in this box. The box is huge, by the way. Everything came nicely packaged. I just took it out of the packaging because I'm not trying to make this video last forever. First thing I got here is this beautiful palette. Oh my god, and like I said before, I love the name SHEGLAM, maybe because it has the word glam in it. I don't know. They're crazy affordable. Well, this is an all-in-one color palette. That's why I chose it. Let's open it up and look at it. Look how cute. So they have so many palettes on their website. A lot of them look like ColourPop. It's insane. A lot of their blushes look like Fenty. I mean, it looks like a lot of dupes, but we will be trying out this palette today. And again, it's all in one. So these are supposed to be like shades for the face. I think these are 2 blushes. I don't know if these are 2 highlights or just this one, and then this is like a bronzer. We'll see if it works. The second thing I chose was an eyeliner. So it says SHEGLAM, and this is the Dazzling Star eyeliner. This is in 01 Black. It's better for me to choose it because if they just send me random things and then I'm just sitting here trying to make it work, you know. Look at this packaging. Are you surprised that I picked something like this? No. I just love the super glam packaging. Okay, also picked these pair of lashes. I think these are like $1. This is probably like $3, something like that. It's like from the same collection. That's so cool. Guess what else I ordered? I ordered a brush set so we can apply all of this with these brushes. I think this was on sale. I don't know if it was on sale for $10 or if it is $10, but this is the SHEGLAM 12-piece makeup brush. Love this like pale pink, and you get 12 of them. Start with the Stay Wild SHEGLAM all-in-one color palette. We're obviously gonna start with the face because I need to fix this. We're looking way too pale. I'm gonna use this brush here, and this one is in the color Whenever. I don't know how well that's gonna work. Probably too dark. Okay. Let's see how well this blends, obviously. So I can see this bronzer working like for different skin tones. Obviously, you can go heavy-handed and do a very light application. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. This one just to put on my nose a little. Barely tapping it. Looks like the most beautiful blush ever. You know I love like a peach coral, but this looks like it has some shimmer. We'll see how much it appears. I definitely don't want shimmery blush. I will use this one here. This one is a bit too dark for me. You can always use it for your eyes, or if this one's too light for you and you prefer this one, or maybe you want to mix it, just play around with it and have fun. It's called Drown. This brush is like so soft. It's not picking up a lot of color. It's nice. It definitely has like a glow to it. I'm gonna go with this highlight called Summer Twilight. I like a blinding highlight, so I hope it's a blinding. I'm gonna go with this one, and then I guess I can wipe it. I can just use one of my brushes, but I don't want to. I want to stay strictly using the SHEGLAM products. Alright, so let's see this color here, Summer Twilight. Ooh, I don't know, like a beautiful champagne is not too ashy either. I wish you guys could help me pick. And I'm not priming the lids. I would always prime my lids. I have oily lids, but I don't have a primer. But on their site, they have everything, like for a full face. Like the best one I see for now for like blending, that's why I'm using this one. This shade here called 107, the crease. Wow, for a matte, that blended so good. It's like no fallout right now. Going with this shade here called Calling. Same brush. You know me, you know I have to do some kind of smoky eye, so I'm just gonna pack that like in the outer corner there. Okay, I just have to stop and say the formula seriously feels like high-end shadows. It's insane how they're performing. I'm gonna try to do like a halo eye, see how that comes out. I'm gonna use this shade here called Gin, and I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner and in the outer corner, leaving like this middle part blank. I'm gonna switch brushes for the inner corner and use this one here. It's not angled or anything, but it's a little smaller. Help me work better in that inner corner. It looks like a mess, but don't worry. Once we pop in the color in the middle, it's gonna look good, I'm hoping. Just want to put some of the e.l.f. concealer just a little there. Use this one, which is smaller. If I was doing like a half cut crease, then I would use like this one. This is good for when you're using wet products. I keep going here like if it had a mirror. I don't have to be precise with this because there's still some blending to do. Just basically packing this color in the middle. Go with this gold shade. I'm going to apply that where I put the concealer. Not gonna stay like that. We're gonna blend the edges. You're not just gonna leave it like this. Before we blend that, I do want to go with my finger. These shades work really well with your finger. Like, look at the difference. I hope you can see. Using this angled brush. It's not that little, but I want to use that to apply some of this color. It is supposed to be, I guess, like a blush, but it doesn't matter. Right here, just to blend these two colors in together so it doesn't look as harsh, so you don't see a line. I'm gonna take this huge powder brush and just dust that off. Take this color whenever, which we use for the bronzer, and just blend this out here. I'm gonna go with this beautiful shade that is called Reborn. I'm gonna try apply that in the inner corner. I hope it's good for the inner corner. Let's see. I'm just putting a little that's just like a bunch of glitter. Now I'm moving on to the SHEIN Glam Liner. Okay, seems to be working really good. Wow, that is super black. I'm very picky when it comes to eyeliner, especially because I suck at it, and this one literally did not give me a hard time. I can't say that I had like the highest expectations. I don't know why. To test out is these lashes. They do have like these that are just one pair, or they have some that I believe are like 3 pairs. Once I picked this one, I was like, oh, I should have gotten a 3 pair, but we'll see. Hopefully these are really nice, super dramatic. They have some that are not as dramatic, but I picked those. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara, and then I'll go ahead and apply these and show you what they look like. I just want to show you this one here at the end. It looks a bit off. Oh my god, I hope these lashes didn't mess up the look. Had to cut them. They were so long, and I'm so lazy when it comes to like cutting lashes. I'm like, ugh, whatever. But no, it looked ridiculous. Cut it from the ends, of course, not to mess up the style. Just want to put some lip gloss. So I wouldn't say these are like my #1 style of lashes. So could definitely cut them even more. But palette, I give it, I think, a 10 out of 10. The formula is like top notch. Look how this look came out. I don't do a lot of like halo eyes. It's a lot of work. Practice makes perfect, but I like the end result. Let me know in the comments if you knew that SHEIN came out with a makeup line. Forget to talk about the brushes. Not all of them are like my favorite shape, I would say. Like this one, maybe this one just like for the nose. I wouldn't use this for like anything on the eye, I would say. The star of the show was this one here. I used this one so much. Obviously, I didn't get to use this one angled brush, but I will use it like for the brows one. These two, I think it will be so good for like a wet shadow or to cut the crease. Like these two that are so tiny, you can get very precise with that. This one too would be good like to pack on the color. All of them were really useful. So soft, so soft. I hope they come out like with more colors. I don't know if this is the only brush set. I think it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.